All right, if you're watching this video, you read through these directions. They did make a whole lot of sense. So the purpose of this video is I'm going to show you exactly how to complete this project. You're going to start by going to My Drive. Your drive probably doesn't look like mine because mine's like all organized and stuff. But basically, this is the way it looks. This is what Google Drive looks like. Over on the left, you're going to click New. All right, this is where you see your docs, slides, sheets, that kind of thing. You've probably used plenty of docs before. But you're going to click More, and you're going to click Google My Maps. So if you ever used Google Maps to like get directions, this is kind of similar. It's like pulling from the same software, except you actually get to label the map, which is really cool. So if you go back to our directions, you're going to see, go down here. It says go to your Google Drive and click New, More Google My Maps. We did that. We're going to name the map Human Geography. If you just click Untitled Map, Human Geography. You can put description if you want to, not required. And it says create a new layer and name it Europe. So you see over here layers. So for the first layer, it's already actually there, so you don't have to make a new one. But if you just click it, you're going to say Europe. All right. Now, all in all, you're going to have 6 layers, one for each continent. So Europe, Africa, Asia, so on and so forth, minus Antarctica. So to add a layer, you click Add Layer, and it pops up down here, and you just click it. And the next one's Africa, so you'd put in Africa. All right. Layers are basically how you're going to organize the locations. So like the locations are per continent. If we look down here, it says in the search box, type the places below and add them to the layer. So the first one is a country, and it's the United Kingdom. So if we go up here, I'm going to click. You see this little blue square? That's going to tell Google Maps where the location is going under what layer. I'll make sure I click Europe because this is in Europe. Notice how they're both yellow. So if we go in here to this box and we type in United Kingdom, boom, there it is. Then we can click Add to Map. Now it's under the layer we wanted it to be, Europe, right? So that's what you had to do. You had to label the United Kingdom. The next one is a geographic feature, English channel. So if we type in English channel, boom, there it is. And we click Add to Map. So you can see that our locations are starting to get pinned. Now, for each location, it's very important we put a description, right? So for a country, look here at the top, it says for each country's description, you will list the type of government, population, gross domestic product, predominant religion, and predominant language, and include 2 images. Features have some different things. Major cities have some different things. But in order to add that description, right, we're going to go back and click our pen, whichever one, right? And then if you click the pencil, you can type a description. All right. And you're also going to have to do 2 images, right? So if you click the camera, add an image or video, and then you go over here to Google image search, you can type in United Kingdom. Look, there's a flag. That'll work. So we can go ahead and add that. And we have to have one more, so we click the plus. Now, what you don't know is the United Kingdom is a monarchy under Queen Elizabeth. So we're going to go ahead and put Queen Elizabeth. We're going to hit Queen Elizabeth. So now we have our 2 pictures, okay? So we have 2 pictures. Your description is going to be way longer than this and follow the criteria. This is just an example. But so that's what you're going to do for each pen. So at the end of the day, you're going to have 6 different layers, one for each continent minus Antarctica. You're going to have a number of countries, cities, and geographic locations labeled that are listed here. And then you're going to have a description that follows right here, country, geographic feature, or major city for each pen. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.